Okay, so this video is actually a question video. So I'm here at my compost and I've flipped it twice now so far, and I'm just kind of wondering how often everyone else flips their compost. I know when you look online you'll see, every few weeks or so. Some people say every 15 weeks, some people say every 4 weeks. It kind of varies, and I was just kind of wondering how often, for those that have compost, how often you turn it, how often do you rotate it, how often are you mixing it up. Mine is off to a good start here. It's a combination of a lot of the plants from the garden and like 20 pounds of coffee and 20 pounds of food waste. So it's a good mix of stuff from the garden and stuff from the kitchen. But yeah, I'm just kind of wondering, when should we be turning this compost?